guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, I'm feeling a little better. I've just been I have some tests I have to have run, but everything's good, and I've really missed painting. So I am going to be painting tonight on this 20 by 20 gallery wrapped Artist Loft canvas. And I am going to do a Molly swipe. I've used her 70-30 pouring medium mix, but I have used Artist Loft, so we'll see how that goes. And I also have all leftover paints, but what I want to try and do, this is a double Molly. I want to do a wave. So I'm going to try to attempt to do this, and so wish me luck. So we're just gonna pour the paint in the center here. It's fairly thick. Leave some behind here just in case I have to do my sides. I'm gonna tilt it over here a little bit. I mixed it not too long ago, so I'm gonna give it a good shot of fire. And oh my God, guys, I lost my phone in Hobby Lobby. Can you believe it? So I had to get a new phone and everything. Yeah, I've had to redo everything. I have a bunch of new toys to play with. I have a cup turner, so I'm gonna try and do some tumblers. I have some UV resin and a UV lamp, and I wanna do some UV jewelry. So if you guys are interested in seeing any of that, just let me know in the comments. Pop those bubbles, pop them. Oh, I need more time. There we go. All right, so what I'm gonna try and do is put a line of colors going this way. And then I'm not even gonna use a spatula. I'm gonna use this to swipe it because I want it real big. So I'm going to start. This is Master's Touch Phthalo Blue. So I'm going to start with that, the deep blue. Oh, you know what? I'm going to put, this is Deco Art. Is that the purple or the blue? No, that's the blue. Deco Art, and it's the Enchanted, Deco Art Americana Enchanted, and it's, ooh. This one, I think I mixed some TLPs up together. And there's some, I think that's, I can't even remember what that is. And I'm gonna put a little purple in this too. This is also an interference. I'm not sure what color that is. We're gonna go with some, actually I'm gonna put the phthalo up here. I might put it down here too. It's golden phthalo turquoise. I have no idea what this one is. And this is Pebeo Iridescent Green Yellow. I might drizzle some white on there. Let's see if this turns out to be, it might just turn out to be a swipe. Depends on how it goes. This is Atelier Blue Black, and I put some Amsterdam Black in it to make it a little bit more opaque. And it is mixed with Australian Floetrol. So I'm gonna put it on here. Da-da-da, and see what happens. It might not work, I'm not sure. I like trying new things. So this will be a Molly swipe and a Molly ocean wave. Okay, let's try this. Oh boy, if this if that spins out nice, that is going to be gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna swipe a little bit in here. I'll let it do its thing. Wow. I'm not gonna use this though. I'm going to use this one. Let me see here. Yeah. Adjusting the tools for the job. Yeah, I really missed you guys. Okay, so how do I want to do this? This way? Yeah. Well, I don't know about that. Oh, geez, Louise. All right, let's see how it turns out to be like. I might need more paint right here. Yeah, that should be good. Good enough. Here we go. Nice, gentle. Okay, I'm gonna put some more right here. Barely have any left. Wow, look at that. Kinda digging it, gotta say. I don't know if I have enough paint. We'll see. Whoa, that was close. Let's take some from in here. There we go. All right, hopefully it doesn't roll over itself too much. I actually wouldn't mind if some of it came off. And there it goes. Okay, now I spun it the opposite way that time. So let's go back the other way again. I love this. Oh my goodness. I might have to futz with it a bit. Oh. Guys, I'm loving it. I might have to blow a little bit on it. Oh my gosh, I don't know which way to go first. I wish I could remember the colors. You know, isn't it funny how leftover paints make the best paintings? Probably because they've been sitting there and they don't have no bubbles. Now this white I just mixed up, but I mixed it up a little bit differently. I put the pouring medium in first, and then I put the paint. This side's almost all covered. This corner needs covering. Oh my. Kind of liking it, guys. All right, let's do it again. Still need more paint off. Whoa, Wilbur. Oh, you know what I did? I think I don't know if I should tilt it now. much paint still on there. I think I spun it too quick on that last one. It doesn't look bad though. You know, it's abstract. There's something hanging up right there. Not good. Oh my gosh, it's so vibrant. Oh my. I think I've got a couple of things in there. Any more? Any more? This is stunning. Oh my goodness. Get out of there. I'm not crying. That is kind of muted. You know, if you like 95% of the painting, it's probably pretty good, eh? Yeah, I don't think that the wave should be going this way. It should be going this way. But I kind of like this anyways. Do I want to play with it? Let's give it a shot of fire. Oh, there, and here come the bubbles. Well, it doesn't really matter because there's bubbles in the ocean, you know? That's really kind of cool. I'm just thinking that I should have done something here. What do you guys think? I haven't done a wave in a long time either. This one's quite different. I've never done anything like this. Oh, there's a bug. Shocking. They just love paint. All right. I'm not real happy with this. It seems to be breaking up almost. It's a very transparent color. I don't like that there. I almost, should I do that? Should I do another swipe this way? I think I might. Oh, here we go. I'm gonna put it on here though. When you're doing that, you want to put your cell activator down first and then the colors on top of it. Oh my goodness. I've got paint everywhere. All right. Am I gonna wreck it though? All right, I'm gonna go for it. Okay, so there's the blue black. I might start it up here and bring it around. You guys are saying, no, no, don't. I know you are. Do I or don't I? Oh, fudge. I'm gonna do another one here. You know what? Now those are tiny little cells. I don't like that. So it's half a swipe and half a blow. That's cool. Yeah, I like it. Now I've got all these white little dots here. There we go, got it out. I'm gonna give it a torch. All right, that's it, that's all. Promise. All right, I'll take you in for a close-up. See you in a few. Hey guys. This is very interesting. Yeah, so I blew a little bit out here. And then of course, off camera, I did a few mollycues, that's what I call them. And yeah, so that was all blown out. And then I actually blew a little bit out here too, just to make it a little more cohesive. And then look at these cells, and oh God, the transparency right there. Look at that little tiny bit of green. I love it. Yeah, and then there's one little green cell right there, tiny, so cute. So I'm really liking this. I like the way it's stretched out. I like that it's different. And we've got some, I like that there was purple in it. And then this is kind of interesting. That's where I brought it out with the palette knife, and I don't mind that at all. That's what makes it really unique. So pretty happy with this one. And I'm sure this one will sell pretty well. I have an event coming up in December 17th, so I have lots of functional art coming up too. Anyhow, please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe, and ciao for now.